Meaning of fearfully.
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 Fearfully. The adverb fearfully is used to describe something that is done with great fear or apprehension. It is often used to convey a sense of intense dread or anxiety. When someone approaches a dangerous situation fearfully, they are acknowledging the potential risks and hazards involved and proceeding with caution. It can also be used to describe a state of extreme nervousness or discomfort. Overall, fearfully indicates a deep sense of apprehension or unease in response to a perceived threat or danger.